I want you to think about if you only used a couple of products, skincare products, in your daily routine, what would they be? Because I think one of the most vital products you can be using on your skin is a beautiful nighttime product. Here is our Restore Pro. So Restore, as a range that we have had for many years, has been upgraded to Restore Pro. This range is full of really high potent ingredients that are very on trend at the moment, that people are seeing a big difference in their skin from. And one of these products that I just love is the Restore Pro Intense Night Cream. And I can't emphasize enough how important it is to put something on a clean face, so have washed your face, a serum and or a night cream nightly. Your skin will thank you for it, particularly in the cooler months, because your face is the only bit of you that's out of bed. The rest of you is all snug as a bug. And I love that this one has Kangaroo Paw Flower Extract, certified organic and sourced from Western Australia. Why do you need a night cream? Your skin goes into recovery mode from about 11 p.m. till about 4 or 5 a.m. and that's when your skin recovers from all that you have put it through the day before. So it's recovering from blue light damage when you're sitting in front of computer screens and massive large televisions, repairing the depth of wrinkles. So that's another very good ingredient in this, is the Kangaroo Paw Flower Extract, that actually helps the wrinkle depth to be decreased while you're in rest mode. So very high tech, and products have come a long way over the years, from your basic tub of cream to products that really go to work to help your skin while you're in rest mode. So I would highly suggest the Restore Pro Intense Night Cream. Give it a go and use it every night, and you will see a difference in your skin. Happy sleeping!